Hello, Maposa Squad. Sawubona Posa yami. I hope you're right. Kamala Mumandisa. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, and on today's vlog, I'll be spinning it with my little sister. We're super excited. Right now, it is a Friday, and we have AMA Awards. So spend the 2 days with us. Right now we have hair appointment, so this is the time. I am going to be doing a pondo and Uchi is going to install hair. And she's installing a bob for the first time. As I'm mentioning, guys, please like this video now and don't forget to subscribe and join the Maposa Squad. If you are already a subscriber, we enjoy Posa. We are done with our hair. I'll pin the food. We are done with our hair. Lihle ipondo lami ngiyalithanda.
Ngimuhle kuyibob for the first time.
And into engithanda kakhulu alibhlungu ngimtshilile lapho ukuthi ngicela ngalenzi leyo bhlungu.
Benzana kahle
Guys, senza ka Jackson Sarafina salon la South Beach.
Beach in the street.
It was very nice. So now sizohamba siye eMasgrave siyodla, and then we're gonna wait until u2 wani we appointment
makeup.
Anyways, I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Shabuki.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I can imagine. No question on my mind, girl. You make it happen.
Ended up deciding on going to Amsterdam. My makeup appointment is at 2. This is the time. We're just gonna eat and then go to the makeup appointment. Do you have any special?
Yeah, the burger special comes with chips and then tokuza. It's inside the Coke, Sprite or cream soda.
Okay, kongi pa yun nasa nasam. You're welcome.
And one song sing a good. It's a yo pandela na no play game.
Because you vlog yama television. Yes, mo jobin. Chris Mondlana, go watch the previous vlog. Chris Mondlana.
Yeah, but sing galus cha.
Vlog ile.
Ukabza la pa ya.
Otale vlog ile.
Esa soy postana.
Mngani bengazi ngisho ukuthi eDevonport khona igapelo ngihamba no G cabanga sise Amsterdam
Ngayo ubamba lo.
yini yenza cela nibuka ukuthi ezongibona na G uyangipho
Ubamba ngesandla.
zikanje G This is my before. This is a transformer match.
In a few.
Seven makeup artist. What? Hello?
No, old people.
Press like lab. Angzanga. Love it so much. Gala? Gala. Okay, alright.
I wrapped it up my love stages with 10,000 people.
Tandita is doing her lashes. In fact, bamzama bamfaka ibhande. So bamuhle na uji yazizwe, ngithi blush, ngithi lip comb. Really like it so much. Oh, sure. Really hope leya ngubo leya isanuki. Yo. Ngoba lesanuki. It's I really hope leya ngubo isanuki. Ngoba nje yakuzongiphoqa. Meanwhile, let us get Mkhan's reaction. Very nice. Thank you. Lele. Guys, is happy. Sisehamba manje. We still have time. The event iqala ngo-5. Into ezoyenzeka manje ukuthi sizohamba sendlini. Siyogqoka iy'ngubo zethu. And then sizodla.
Yeah, then call the break is or something.
Yeah. Oh, wer ist er?
Der wohl an so Moscheles.
Really manje headed ukuthi siyogqoka mase siyahamba event. It's very close to my place, so super excited, cannot wait. Hope you're still enjoying. By the way, Pozayami Awards Day lesiyakona. I am nominated under the category Best Inspiring Content Creator. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngiya-inspirisha guys, ayibo ngizobe ngasawinelani ngiyadlala kodwa if ngingawini angifuni mama ngizophatheka kabuhlungu kancane kwangaphela. That's the honest truth, because like angikaze ngibe confident kangaka nge-category because ngifila ngazuthi like it resonates with me. Winning this would mean so much to me. Ngiyacela ukuwina kodwa kwangaphela like I feel like 2025 nje content yami has been so inspiring nje for youth, for ababoza. Hey nina ningwinise lapho ngizoyipostela into noma ngawinanga guys, just to show you ukuthi yabo zikhona izinto kanje uyayicabanga engqondweni yakho. Ngizoba sad kodwa I'm not going to be a sole loser. Ngizomjabulela nomuntu owinile because nabo bazobe deserve. Yes. Clock in. And yithi laba we ended up not wearing leya ngubo enukayo. All thanks to Nqobile bazosisiza kamnandi. This is the final product.
Sakon. All the best.
Asangeni. If you're still watching, please don't forget to press on that like button and subscribe.
Ni share. Chelo kokbe no ma ben be
Alright. Maposa. Ay, mamadod. Hello, Maposa Squad. Kiyabonga sana. Ozomuhle. Ay, bona.
In South Africa, our land.
Was made possible by the following sponsors: Lee Studios Interior Design,
Good evening, welcome to the Purposefully Influencing Awards. My name is Zodumo, the Entertainer. I hope everyone will enjoy it today. Just relax and feel beautiful today because I'll be announcing a best dressed. Taking ukuthi osisiphatha kanjani, yicheke obuti ukuthi baqoka kanjani.
Welcome to KZN, everyone from Limpopo, from Cape Town, from Johannesburg. We are here doing
Can I tell you something? Right when I'm just coming up to the stage, I see the Real Housewives of Durban in the house.
We are doing a first here in KZN. We are putting ourselves on the map. We are not waiting for people to acknowledge the content creators that are here doing the most. We are giving a platform. We are honoring you guys tonight. Is your night where we celebrate all of you that influence with purpose. You don't just
Most
post your
definitely.
booty.
Most definitely.
All right.
We live in an era whereby, the world is driven by numbers and trends, but I think today we're here to say proper influence, or rather, proper influence. Guys. Basically, what I'm trying to say is being influential is not just about numbers, it's about purpose and how you are touching people's lives. Most of the people are scrolling, they're like, I'm actually reflecting on what that person said. That is proper influence, not just to trend every week, but it's about touching lives, shifting narratives, and making people reflect. That's proper influence.
Each one of you are here making a difference, and we are celebrating you today.
May we remember her name. Her name is Mama Tinamhlope. I am who I am because she planted a seed in a township girl that she never met. I am in a digital marketing space and respected. May we know her name. Her name is Boni Kaba. She said, show up and show up well. I am in a leadership position. May we know this woman and know her name. Her name is Minenhle Dlamini. I am seated here among legends, content creators. May we know their name. May we remember them because I am one of them. My name is Samgelisiwe Pele Holstock. I am a child and a daughter of the soil, but most importantly, I am a servant. I believe the word influence means you are a leader, and a leader serves whoever she leads. I strive to live a life of purpose, not for me, but for the little 8-year-old me that is still stuck in a township. I hid myself behind a book because Mama Tinamhlope allowed me to. I am living a life of purpose because Babulinda Sbia said it is not over
Until God says it's over. Yes.
All the children of Africa, our land.
And we'll celebrate this wonderful woman who has been doing a great work in Durban and surroundings, and also even outside of South Africa.
I work for Kakasi FM, radio station that speaks to the urban black youth.
Purposely influencing Aberdeen was about inspiring consequences of Maggie, Samkelo and Bali, Live, Sokululego, Nodolikolo. And the winner is
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Tualana, the most inspiring content creator, Babalwake Abangwele bathi masebebaliwa bangcwele kwabuzakala ukuthi ngabe lamlikhona. Alright, and the winner is hey nazitshela nina iyashintsha isibongo sakho sebesingesi. Yo guys, I think we need to change our surname to English. I'm no longer Zuma, I'm Zuma. Like ZWOMER. Zuma. And the winner is Mandy Keswa. Oh, 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 Shambo. No, Shatimana, stop feeling my darling. Sibu Pilana. Let's agree. I'm fast. So far away. What a win. I want to have a little Yes.
Sanmonani, hello to everyone. My name is Mandi Sakeswa. When I said Nyasebenza, I meant I'm on duty. So can I just put my seat up here? Normally when I greet my audience, I like saying Sawubona Bozayami. So Sawubona Bozayami to everyone. My name is Mandi Sakeswa. So the K on Instagram, it's spelled as in K Swa. So it's Mandi K Swa. So I graduated in 2021 from the Durban University of Technology, and I am a qualified software engineer. Currently doing my advanced this year, and ngifisa ukuba uthisha ofundisa IT and also maths. So I'm also doing my postgraduate in education. And then I am normally known for selling cars on social media. I use my social media platforms to sell cars. So if anyone in this room is looking for a vehicle, yes, I sell brand new, pre-owned, you name it. And I am also a full-time content creator. One of my most highlights for 2025, I could say working with big brands like Spotify, Africa, which is so huge. And the campaign was all about teaching other people about Umculo Kamaskandi, which is isiZulu music. So I'm also a YouTuber, and my channel is about teaching Abantu about the Zulu traditional events, cultural practices that we do, and I'm a daily vlogs. And it's a lot. But I'm so grateful to be here, and ngiyabonga kakhulu for the support, and also
like Kaya for honoring us and showing us Wuti, we got this. And I'll address the most uncomfortable topic of gatekeeping. We are not gatekeeping. Our doors are always open and people are just too scared to come to us and ask. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for the award. The winner is I'm such a fan. And the winner is Simpiwe Mbata. Because she's been representing us so well as EKZN, Ekoli.
I'm very sure to see it.
Great
as
job.
to how much God has loved me so much that He opened doors I never thought I'd walk through. Doing content creation full time. And all I wanted to say, with the work that I do, I've always wanted to motivate women. I'm a black woman. You walk around in society with 2 L's. You're black, you're woman. So I always tell people, if you want to empower a nation, empower a woman. And if you want to see a nation fall, let them fall too. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, izandla zedlule ekhanda, and I am grateful to God for never leaving my life even when I strayed away from Him. And to all the content creators that want to start,
everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Ngiyabonga angiphezi ngibonga kakhulu Bhoza yami. Good morning. Sawubona Bhoza yami. Decided to sleep with this makeup, 1 because it is expensive. 2 ukuthi we are reusing it for ilona kancane. We're just going to do a bit of touch-ups. But into ila njengamanje uyayizwa indaba ithi G. Uncamisa mphakamela sumphakamela ngakala. Uncamisa mphakamela sumphakamela ngakala. Tilili helala. Tilili helala. Wewe amahlamvu azobele ngekhanda. Azobele ngekhanda shake. OTD njengamanje. What we need is amahlamvu. That's the only thing engekho. Number sizogeza. Uji has a class as a dancing class ke
Epicenter music vid ama class the choreographer yakhona ama class of 50 rand ya. Vele bazoyibona mfethu yafana.
Isidlulile kodwa phela next time.
Next time guys nizongisupport.
Cha wena kumele post before that. Uyofundisana namhlanje uyofundisana.
No, it's Bafethi lezi ngoma lezi ezothando nje ejulile.
Usuyazi uzodanana? Awusitshengise phela. Roza sesigezile sesifresh manje. Ngephela kusithi indondo ayimela indondo. It's a celebration. We are making mimosas uJuka dosenzele breakfast. Siyabonga. Yeah.
Better know.
For the sinking manje. So you need a glass. You need a ndondo.
You need a dollar to drink.
And you need champagne. This is I'm not too sure what is the name of the champagne.
Yes.
Ngapiwa Simon Sabela Awards. Shout out to them. And shout out to you, Bhoza yami, for making my dreams come true. Ooh. Pump up champagne. So what you do is you put your finger here, eat down. Let me taste. It was it's sweet. Let's taste. Wema, as a nandi. Guys, it tastes like expensive champagne. Angazi yazi I'm not too sure. Mhlawumbe ngizosola ngale nto. Njoba isingazi ukuthi manje ile drink le drink ebhedayo ike phela yana. Ima focus ike phela phakathi sama break lama drink abhedayo.
Obani abafuna.
Abheka cake.
Bazaza bathi bantwana.
Abihlezi besho abadangaze
Ngaze ngidla ngifuni ngizo kuzenza kancane.
Lapho guys soizama. Sihlezi sithi mami.
Lapho khona isho amakhulu lapho wathanda uThemba nabakubo.
Ngiyami ngiyibona uThemba nangicabanga yena. Awuyamnandi ke sifake kanje. Hayi mimosa ziyaya ma usixolele. It's a celebration. Phoza yami inhliziyo yami kancane. This is the time. And uji akakabuyi from her dancing classes. Angisabocobile. Yilo engilinde yena. Lapho gazi sengiyababona abantu sebefikile. My heart is here. This might be one of the last videos that I'm gonna be doing in this vlog if Uchi doesn't come before 5. You said that I know my sister, guys. If so, then so far my clips are hopefully use vlogelile kanje. Hayi kanje kuphela. Hi Boza, it's me again. This is the time. I'm really sad, but I'll post this just to show you that sometimes you plan a vlog and it doesn't go your way. So unfortunately, I'm feeling very sleepy right now because I have been waiting. Okay, so let's go. Let us make my mother meet this baby. Let's go. Dondoto. Dondoto.
Wow.
Yakutshela.
Hi girl.
Hi. Another one. Cela nje usande engayithinti. How are you? Good, right? You live on yeah. Yayibona. Iphile enye. Phela le enye guys ngihambe nayo ngiyoyilungisa. Guys, ningasijudge. We can explain. Khona ingane la ekhaya. Seyilungisa. Buka seyilungisa. Hayi le. Hayi shame. Yibo wegogo kuthiwa most inspiring content creator. Kahle ngikhuthaza izingane. Ngikhuthaza intsha ziya inspire sheka. Ijikisi uzobona. IBC liva.
Oh, ibisi.
Me ngubhese ngala ibigo. Nalento le abayifakile la
bamba la uzoyithatha
lento le
ayichafaza
ama
yazi ufuna uyibeke pho ube lapha eduze ombhede wami ngoba kangena ekamereni la
angeke kodwa le ihliphishise ngeke phela
ngeke phela sengavela yobona mina simtshela sizombopha
angeke bayi
uyaze sisaze sabonga
siyabonga.
Oh, wathini
abafaka imali lapha
wathini
usubani abatholi imali zothola 20,000 mina lutho
hayi ubani konje wathi wathi wena hayi elandela isiyobe isiyimali ke malume
ngiyakhumbula bebuza ibillionaire bani
uyathi hayi sinokwamaphepha la
mala besifuna imali
kuyazeyana
kodwa bekuvotwa mahala vele ma
hawu siyabonga Nkosi akuze nokunye
lapho namhlanje ke ma ayingeke yabo le nto engangeke kuyona iphathi kantombazane
Uyezwa ma?
Emsangani.
Yasegoli.
Hayi lo umncami wenu.
Uncami sigcina singayanga ngizolo uthanda usubuye late. Bengizoya mina ngincami kade ngimthanda kabi.
Kade bengitshela bethu ngathi bayiveza lento ngithi mina yini leningivezela.
Ngisho ugogwazi uncami.
Mahlamvu. Ibondo kwatapheya nento mango ayamagogo.
Iyabafaka
ebhodeni yonke.
Iyazi.
Ngithi iyagula le.
Hayi ngiyacela uncami.
Kodwa uyabona unesiphiwo sakhe yena. Sokuthandwa khona nje.
Siwe ethandwa nje ezithukane mhlambe enjani kodwa siyamthanda nje.
Uthandwa abantu bonke.
Ngami South Africa kuvele ngisho endabeni. Ema into entombazane le yade sekuyona eGoli. Hayi bandla. Iletho okuningi. Hayibo vele ngakhala. Yasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu muhle. Ayisho ngiyabonga.
Phakamisa ikhaya.
So much for watching till this part. Kulungile ke. Ngizobona kwivideo elandelayo.